What?
Sleep on the bed and I go into it. Mum, where's the clippers? She went, I don't know. It wasn't me. I'm not guilty. You take photos of yourself, won't you?
Yeah, photos. Let's take photos. I'm that lame. Yeah, that's what I do with my life.
I don't know where the clippers are.
Your clippers?
I need the clippers.
Oh, your clippers. I thought you meant something completely different then.
And I'm not quite sure whether we would get planning permission for that to start with. Also whether it would be value for money.
No.
What?
You tried to take a photo of me putting my socks on all sexy.
No. Of course not. I'm not. I told you. I'm not. Why would I take photos of you? Of all people. Dude, what's going on? Yeah.
I don't know where the clippers are. Where's she going? I don't know. Where's that?
Nothing. I haven't done anything. I swear.
Are you recording?
No.
How's Adrian?
It'll be fine.
Is that Adrian or Adrian?
It's Adrian.
Adrian Moore. It's been ages.
What did you wear?
Nothing. This is how my hair goes.
You washed it?
When I wash it and blow dry it, it goes all sexy like.
Alan always wanted
I'm feeling sexy bad. Yeah.
There's Shawnee.
What?
Whoa! Shawnee! Just walked back. I am recording. I recorded you coming downstairs shouting that really randomly. So that's at the beginning of this video. Just saying. You would have now go, oh my god, Chrissy, guess what? You weirdo.
Where's the clippers? The clippers in the bag that I need.
Ray's house.
Gordon.
Ray's house. Ray. What the hell was that? I'm just admiring myself in the mirror. What's I doing? That's what I do. I should have worn a belt. My jeans are like. If you like it, then you should have put a belt on him.
Oh. It's not around here, are they?
There are 2 bedrooms, both of which are doubles, and take 40 to a new
Oh no, I've got to look upstairs.
I can't, I'm in a mess. What? You're in a rush, you haven't even got shoes on yet.
I know.
Dude! Dude! I'll just like sit down and relax. Like I own this house!
You own this house.
I own this house, my blood!
My mum a cup of tea.
What? If I own this house, no, everyone has to make me stuff. That's not the point.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, wait, can I zoom with this? Oh my god, I can zoom in on your face! Your face!
Face!
Your face! My nostrils! Don't worry, that's not as hard. I've actually smacked someone in the face before.
Dad, do you know where the clippers are?
They must be in your bag because you had them last time. I haven't used
They're
them.
not in my bag.
I'm sorry, you used them last time. She's took them out of there.
Yeah, no, I haven't. Yay! Yay!
Life is complete again! Say it, Ray! Say it! Say thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you very much. I need your love, but you
She had like 4 different songs.
Yeah. There was 4 different songs all together.
How's your side?
It hurts.
Which side is it?
The baby!
Yeah!
That wasn't funny.
It was for me.
You're going to be like for
And maybe YouTube.
What?
You're going to be like Stevens.
No.
They were using this as a farm shop.
But that's Gordon's.
Gordon's? Oh, you just say my granddad.
Granddad's.
Gordon's.
Granddad's.
Gordon. Oh, that's a sexy man.
I will
Sorry.
donate to Granddad's. He's my granddad. So now you've got more to be today.
Plenty of ready-made accommodation for horses in the
There's my
stable.
coat ready to keep me
Complete
warm.
with 4 stables and an adjoining storeroom. But it doesn't end there. Look at the stable box. Look up to scratch.
They certainly do.
You've got another sort of 2 in there.
Stop right there. Thank you very much. Man! We playing that! We're gonna be late! Supposed to be there at 4!
Very well equipped.
It's 4:15!
And basically, your paddocks stretch right up
Dude, we're late!
to all around.
We playing that!
And
That's fast.
5.5
It's only temper.
Don't tell her that.
I would
Don't
say
tell her that.
it's on the
She doesn't need to do that. Right! It's like 1/2 past! You know! It's 1/2 past! Let's move!
Go, you've got to go.
Go, Bush! It's your livelihood that lives on this.
Yeah, your livelihood. What the hell was that?
I'm a bottle.
It's a bottle. Can you? Right. This is gonna be really weird. Ooh, hold. Ray! Your life depends on it. Let's go. Let's do this shiz. Walking out the door. Walking out the door. Walking into the beautiful little thing. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah. The hundreds of miles.
I still can't feel my toes.
Climb your bloody river.
Whoa, if you don't
Van,
drown, baby.
Van, you might drown. Not drown. Get in my car. You might get in my car. You might drown. Oh, we're lunatics, aren't we? Right, cross now. Cross? Don't just... Wait on, Cassie. Come on, let's go. I've just ruined my fringe by turning back to look at you.
Look at me, what do you
I don't wanna. Oh dear Lord, what's wrong with you? Oh dear. I could just do that, couldn't I? I'd just walk around like that. It's completely normal.
Yeah, normal. I like hair in my mouth.
Bleh. It was. Bleh. Why? Fast attack.